Good morning. My name is Francisco Jose Paredes Perez, and this is my activity in CLIL, design activity CLIL. Activities. The two sessions selected by me are Cycle Senior Technician in International Trade Community of Madrid, Module Training and Career Guidance for FOL. Choice of sessions. Session number 1. Unemployment protection. Legal status of unemployment. Employment benefit and subsidy. Session number 2. Concepts seen in yesterday's class. When are you entitled to unemployment benefits? Planning of the two sessions. In the planning, the important points are objectives, criteria for assessment, teaching objectives, what I plan to teach, content, cognition, culture, communication, language of learning, language for learning, and language through of learning, learning outcomes, evaluation instruments, scaffolding tips, language for the teacher, and language for the learner. Resources and notes. Objectives. If you want the objectives to be well known, they have to be SMART. S-M-A-R-T. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and temporary. Criteria for assessment. The most important are: understand the contents of Unit 1. Distinguish when people have the right to receive unemployment benefits. Know how to search the internet for sources of social security and employment benefits. Build a QWL chart. What I know, what I want to know, what I learned, contribute and use the Grabando vocabulary table. Learning outcomes. You have a few seconds to read the list. The more important for me are classify the information, successfully participate in the visual correspondence between concepts and image, interpret visual information, and use a new word class vocabulary record. Scaffolding tips. This language for the teacher. For example, call down quickly. Please, let's get started. Don't panic. You worked well today. And the language for the learning. I don't think so, because I don't know. Can you help us? And the last point are resources. The resources are computer, projector, slate, sheets, and pens, and my notes. Eva, thank you very much because you are a very good teacher. Eva, muchísimas gracias, gracias por todo, por tu implicación y por lo mucho que nos has ayudado. Gracias.